Oh, I guess that was a fast goodbye. I hope you'll wake me up again someday. We'll have new games for us to play. That's as if my conscience doesn't disobey. You'd never leave your one best friend. I feel very lonely when you're gone, so please don't take too long, my best buddy. I'll always be here waiting just for you, and I always together, me and you forever and ever. Don't blame me for ending your story, because for now there's no need to worry. Oh, I just realized what I have done. A little late it seems to make things right, but please, it's not my fault, it was its fault. But they'll never know what's truly best for you and I, me and you. What are we going to do now? Our games have ended. You and I, me and you, come to terms with the truth. I haven't expanded. You and I, always together, me and you forever and ever. It's my fault we ended our story, but I think there's no need to worry. I'm sorry, I'm not programmed to worry, so for now there's no need to hurry back.